it's AlyMew, and today I'm going to teach you guys how to make steamed bao. And in particular today, you can put whatever you want, but today I'm going to make bulgogi inspired beef to go inside of it, and I'm going to be using this bamboo steamer. And this, my friends, I got this from Banggood. And we're gonna try out how good these things are. And if you're interested, the links will be down below if you want to learn more about Banggood and where to purchase this. Let's start cooking now. So let's go. Anything you get that you should really wash it with soap and water. Anyway, I'm so happy that these came out so good. I'll show you guys. Look at them. You can hear Hanzo, but look at them, they look so good. I know I made some of them looking weird, but I'm gonna take the best one. All right, I'm gonna eat this one. This one is pretty. Oh my god, it's hosek. That means really good in my language. I don't know if you guys see the steam, but it's so good. I hope you guys make this. Anyway, if you guys want to learn where I got my bamboo steaming thing, you can find the links below. Thanks to Banggood, you can find it there. And this is so good. I'm sorry. Bye guys. This is so good. Oh my god, look at it. So good. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to smack that like button as hard as you can. Just don't break your mouse, okay? And don't forget to slap that subscribe button so you'll be notified when I upload any new videos. And I also stream live on Twitch, and if you want to talk to me, hang out with me, and watch me play live, all you have to do is follow me on twitch.tv/AlyMew. See you guys next time!